Welcome to this tutorial on how to add fractions with unlike denominators, or where the denominators are not the same. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to add both proper and improper fractions. Sometimes we may need to simplify our answers, so check out our video, How to Simplify Fractions, for a refresher. To start, let's write down the fractions we want to add. Before we use real numbers, we'll use some placeholder fractions, a over b and c over d. If the denominators are different, or b does not equal d, we first need to find the least common denominator of the fractions, or LCD. The least common denominator is the smallest number that can be a common denominator for a set of fractions. Once you find the LCD, rewrite the fractions you want to add as equivalent fractions with the LCD as the denominator. Then add the numerators and put the result over the common denominator. Finally, simplify the answer after adding fractions if needed. Let's do some examples. We will follow these steps to find the sum of two fractions with unlike denominators. For our first example, we will add 1/5 plus 2/3. The LCD of 5 and 3 is 15, so we will write these fractions as equivalent fractions with 15 as the denominator. To find the equivalent fraction, multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number so that we get 15 as the denominator. For the first fraction, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. To find the equivalent fraction of 2/3, multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. 1 times 3 is 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 5 is 15. So our new equation is 3/15 plus 10/15. Now that the denominators are the same, let's add the numerators together to get 13 and place that result over the common denominator 15. This fraction cannot be reduced, so our final answer is 13/15. Let's do one more example. 2/9 plus 7/6. The LCD of 9 and 6 is 18, so we will find the equivalent fractions of 2/9 and 7/6 with 18 as the denominator. For the first fraction, multiply both 2 and 9 by 2. For the second fraction, multiply both 7 and 6 by 3. 2 times 2 is 4, and 9 times 2 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21, and 6 times 3 is 18. So our new equation is 4/18 plus 21/18. 4 plus 21 is 25, so our answer is 25/18. Let's simplify this fraction to a mixed number. 25 divided by 18 is 1 remainder 7. So put 1 as the whole number result and 7 as the new numerator over 18. Our simplified answer is 1 7/18. Now that you understand how to add fractions with unlike denominators, let's head over to CalculatorSoup.com's fractions calculator to keep adding. The Adding Fractions calculator will add 2 or more fractions together and show you step by step how to get the answer. Choose from the drop-down above to change the number of fractions you want to add. Let's do one more example. 1/4 plus 3/10. Press the Calculate button to view the steps to get the answer below. The LCD of 4 and 10 is 20, so multiply the top and bottom numbers in each fraction by the same number so that the denominators both equal 20. For 1/4, we multiply the top and bottom by 5 to get 5/20. For 3/10, we multiply the top and bottom by 2 to get 6/20. Next, add 5 and 6 to get 11 as the numerator, and our final answer is 11/20. Now you know how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Calculator Soup.